Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today I'm doing a layout for Pour Your Way, and it's a YouTube hop and Instagram hop where we scrap our animals. So this is my dog Benji, and he's going for a evening walk, and I'm actually using a base page for this one. So this is a base page I put together of Project Life cards. So I don't do any, I was going to say much, but I don't do any, literally, to be honest. Pocket scrapping, I just find it really hard to do. So I've used some cards here to create a base page. Now, this one I did probably years ago now, and it's been sitting in a folder waiting to be used, and it was intended for a baby because it has the word new. I know the collection it was from was for baby, and then down here this has got like new beginnings on it, but I thought, well, this was my puppy's first time going for an evening walk, so I'm going to make it work with this page. And the colors sort of go because here I have the right sort of color for the pocket pieces. Anyway, so I'm going to make it work. Now, I don't have a lot of embellishments because this should have been up already and I'm running late, as per normal, story of my life. So I went through just one section of my embellishments and pulled out a few things that I'm going to use, and I'm going to make it work. So yeah, let's get on with it. So I've already mounted the photos on white cardstock and then black cardstock, so it's like a collage in the middle of the page, and then the embellishments that go around. Alright, I'm going to speed you up, put music over the top. I'll be back at the end, okay? Enjoy. okay, there is my page. I kept it quite simple, and the journaling is going to go in here. I was trying to cover this up, but I couldn't quite get it to work, so I'm just going to put the date in there. Yeah, so quite simple. These letters have got no stick left in them at all, so I'm going to have to glue them down, but I didn't want to have you sit and watch me do that because I fiddled around with it enough anyway. I decided I wanted to cover the word new, and then went, well, that's silly because what's the N for? And the whole thing is about new nighttime walks for the dog. So it's like, okay, I need the word new showing so it makes sense. Yeah, so then I had to move them all down, and they have no stick, like I said, so I've got to go back and glue them in. But that is it from me today. So if you have liked this page, give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.